Hello guys again and welcome back to another unboxing, viewing and testing, and today we've got this new line of tools from Parkside Me, yes correct, me. Cordless drill model PMBSA 4A1, 3 years warranty, accessories included inside. I'm so excited, this is a new line of tools from Parkside and definitely I wanted to have it to my hand and test it to see how it works. Nice case, minimal case, and again we've got the Parkside Me logo here. Well, let's open it to see what we have inside and how we can work with that. It opens from here. Nice durable case, I can say. And there we are, we've got the manual, the charger, Type-C, yeah, thumbs up. I like the companies is changing the charging port in Type-C. That's a very good choice. Some accessories included inside. 8 bits with a 1 bit extension, magnetic bits. Nice. And a nice and lovely case. And there's the tool. Whoa, fits very well to my hand. I like it. By the first touch, I can say I'm so excited. And nothing else will... Oh, okay. You can take this out and use this case for other purpose. Why not? Now let's put it down here. Oh, nice. I like the black with the purple. And these two screws is like a stitches. Metallic finish here around and here. Type-C port for charging. It takes about 60 minutes to fully charge. We've got the LED indicators. By the push of this button, you can see a red, yellow and green LED indicator. Nice. The on-off switch, of course. We've got the first gear for screwing, and it can give you from 0 to 300 RPM. And the second gear for drilling, it can give you from 0 to 1000 RPM. Change the rotation left to right with this button. At left it will go to red, and to right rotation it will go to green. Nice. High quality metal chuck with a spindle lock. The total torch is 10 Newman. Nice. Battery inside this beautiful unit is 4 volt 3 ampere hours. And it is ideal for small to medium sizes drilling and screwing jobs in a wood, plastic, metal. Suitable for furniture assembly, for everyday use, DIY projects. A screw has came loose from your cabinet and just screw it. Of course, to charge it, very easy. Type-C, connection to the power, and it's charging. Nice. Well guys, nice of that, and I think it's time for testing to see how much power it can give us this small bad boy. Well, let's move on. 6 screws, different dimensions. We need the extension bit. 1 bit. Let's start with a smaller one. Yep, great job until now. Let's see the better one. Whoa, nice, I like it. You're a bad boy. Now I would like to try in this screw. This is a larger screw and the thickness is larger. Now let's see how it will go. Oh yeah. Yep, it has power. Definitely. All the way in. Thumbs up. And let's take it out. Nice. Now I'm going to test in the drilling mode. Let's insert the beaker length. It is 10 millimeters. Okay, let's try here. Nice. And the diameter is 9 centimeters. Very good job. Now, let's take this out. And I'm going to try this. It is 12 millimeter. Yep. Nice. It has power, this bad boy. Definitely. Now let's move on at the metal. Nice. Good job. Well guys, that was all about this Parkside cordless drill, new line of tools from Parkside. I have tested in a more extreme condition than meant to be used, and it performed very well. Thumbs up for that. Well, if you consider to buy that kind of tool, definitely it's worth the money. It costs 30 euros. Brushless motor, definitely the battery, it will last long enough to use it. And with all that guys, this is the end of the video. Thank you again for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like or dislike my videos, your choice, share this video, you never know who may need it, and hit the notification bell because more videos in the future are coming and you don't want to miss it. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye.